Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the PlayStation Network with the account that owns the games. This is required to reassign licenses. Once signed in, make sure your PS5 is online. Wired LAN is preferable because it's stable. Then check for and install any system software updates. Outdated firmware can block license validation. After updates finish, restart the console to clear temporary caches and navigate straight to Settings so you can begin the actual restore licenses process. Now go to Settings, choose Users and Accounts, then Other, and select Restore Licenses. This forces Sony's servers to revalidate your entitlements. Confirm the action and be patient. The system may take several minutes to communicate with PlayStation Network and update each title. Once the progress finishes, sign out and sign back in to refresh the local license cache. If you have multiple accounts, repeat the process for each relevant account so ownership records sync correctly. Complete by testing the affected games or add-ons. Launch one to confirm access. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode and choose Rebuild Database. This cleans indexes and often resolves permission glitches. Also, make sure the PS5 is set as your primary console or deactivate other consoles tied to the account to avoid conflicts. If nothing works, gather purchase history and contact PlayStation support for forced entitlement fixes. They can reassign licenses when you provide proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.